We are Giacomo Poli, Cristian Degli Espositi, and Riccardo Moccia. We attend the Aldini Valeriani School in Bologna, an excellent school that offers afternoon courses and equipment to improve learning. Obviously, it's not a perfect school. It has its flaws, like the internet connection, which gives problems. We believe that nuclear medicine is very important to treat diseases that are still little known. In this regard, we have done some researches using the following sites: IRCCS, Istituto Clinico Humanitas, SYNLAB, the largest European medical diagnostic group. To talk about nuclear medicine, we must first explain what radiation is. When we talk about radiation, we think of something harmful, but in reality, we are surrounded by radiation. Radiation is a type of energy that has always existed naturally in our environment, in different forms, that comes from both natural and artificial sources. The radiation used by doctors for the diagnostics or treatment of diseases are always controlled, so as not cause harm to patients and their families. In the medical field, radiation can also be used in the field of diagnostic through the use of radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals consist of a pharmacologically active part and a radioactive part. The pharmacologically active part has the property of localizing in some structures and in some organs. In most cases, administration is by intravenous injection. The substance is distributed in the body, and through special machinery we can see where this happens, thanks to the radiation that allows us to locate drugs. However, it cannot be ruled out that there are risks. It depends on the type of radionuclide and on the structure of radioactive drug. PET is an example of a diagnostic test that uses radiodrugs. PET is a diagnostic imaging method that allows you to identify tumors early, assess their size and location. Once the radiopharmaceutical has been administered, it may be necessary to wait a few hours or a few days before being able to do the examination to allow time for the drug to localize in the region of the body to be examined. The radiopharmaceuticals emits invisible radiation. However, by using a special machine, doctors can see how it is distributed in the body. Nuclear medicine allows for fast and accurate diagnosis of many diseases at all ages. Often it is the only method capable of seeing if certain tissues or organs are functioning properly and treating certain diseases. The conclusion that we can draw from our research are therefore: nuclear medicine helps doctors to determine the severity or spread of disease, to choose the most suitable therapy, to verify the efficacy of a drug, to adapt the therapies based on responses to treatments, to monitor progression of disease and to identify possible relapses. Thanks to these advantages, it can have numerous developments and benefits in the medical field.